Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tech Communication. As you can see, this is the previous website we have created, which is the corporate website. Now, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how you can create an e-commerce website and adding a payment gateway to it and other things you can do with it. Now, first, what is e-commerce website? E-commerce website is where you can sell your products online, like Jumia, Konga, a website like that. That's what we call what e-commerce website. That is an online selling website. Now, to do that, it's very simple. Like the way we created other websites, very simple. It's very simple. Now, let's go to our dashboard and what? First thing, we need to reset our website to a default website. We already know how to do that. Now, let's go to our dashboard and do that. First thing we need to do is what? To install the WP Reset plugin, which we already know. Now let's go, because we have used it before. Let's go to what? Now let me show you one thing. You can see in this particular place, we see what? Update. One update. That means what? We have one plugin on one themes to update. Now you can see the plugin. One of the plugin is outdated, so we need to what? Update it. So when you see anything like that, you need to, and if you see anything like that in your dashboard, you need to what? Click on it and what? Update it. Now let's go to what? Let's go to our tools. Let's update it first. Install plugin and see the plugin that is outdated so that we can update it. It's very important. Now click on update available. You can see one. When you click on update, it will tell you the one that needs to be updated. Can you see? This is it. Just click on update now. It will update. So that's how to update your website, your themes, all your plugins. Now let's now go back to our dashboard. Now come to your dashboard and click on WP Reset. Let's go to tools. Since we have already installed it before, let's go to tools and what? WP Reset. You already know how to do that. So we need to reset our dashboard, our website, to default website, so that we can now create an e-commerce website from the scratch. Now go to down, like I always tell you. Now click on what? Type reset in small letter. Let's do that. Reset, then reset site. Click on reset site. Yes, I want to reset WordPress. Now everything will what? It will come up, it will load. Now our website is what? Has been reset. Can you see our website has been reset? Now let's go back to what? Let's go back to our website and check. You need to refresh it. Can you see? So now that our website has been refreshed, so we need to what? Start to create an e-commerce website. Like the corporate website that we created, we only need three things also: the Astra themes, the Astra template. We click here and what? Click on themes, appearance theme, then what? Add themes. Now we have the Astra already here, so we don't need to what? To add it again. Now let's go to plugin. We need those two plugins also, the one we added when we want to what? Create our corporate website, which is the Astra starter. Let's activate it, because we know that it will already be what? Been installed, since we have been using it before. Now let's activate it. Can you see? It has not been activated, but it has been installed since we have been using it before. Now we activate it. Then after the Astra starter, we activate the Elementor too. But this thing, if you have not been using it before, you know that you need to what? Install and activate it. You need to install and activate it. So that's it. Click on Elementor, so it will search it for us, fetch it for us. Now we click on what? Activate. No, I haven't done all that. Now we know the next step to do is what? Go to appearance and click on what? Starter template. So that's where we are going to choose the template we want to use. But this time around, there is a bit different between creating the corporate website and the e-commerce website. Now let's look. Click on appearance, starter template. Now the template we are going to be using for the e-commerce is different from the one we are going to be using for any other website, especially the corporate website. Now we choose what? Click on Elementor. We want to edit with what? With Elementor. So in this place now, I told you need to filter it now, but the difference here now is that when you filter it, you need to choose what? E-commerce. Can you see? We have blog, we have business, we have e-commerce, we have others. Click on e-commerce. No need to choose free or any other thing again. All you just need to do what? Click on e-commerce. So I think no, we have e-commerce, we need e-commerce. Now we have e-commerce website. So if you check everything now, you see that all the template here are for what? Are for e-commerce. Can you see the first one? Brand store, organic store. Now I now told you, now the one you see premium is the one what? Now you can go and change it to what? To free. Since you have what? Change it to e-commerce, in this place you change it to what? To free. So any free e-commerce website is going to what? Is going to pop up for you now. It has, we have free. Now we have brand store, organic store, plant shop. Now you now choose anyone that what? That relates to your what? To your, let's choose this fashion designer. Which you are going to choose any template that relates to the website you want to create. Maybe you are dealing with fashion website, fashion e-commerce website. So all the template are there already. Now let's choose this fashion designer. Let's click on it, and you know what to do. You just what? Import complete website. Now our complete website will be what? Will be imported. You choose this, either beginner, your client or your company. Choose anyone, put your name, put your email, then what? Start. Or you what? Your, now the theme has been activated. So let's wait for it to import our site completely. Now you can choose from any template depending on the work you are before you, or the type of work your client give to you. So that's just it. Now let's wait for it to import our site completely, then we now move to what? We move to the next thing. Now our site has been imported completely. So all we need to do is what? Visit website. Now let's visit our website and see the changes we have. Let's see the changes we have. Now can you see? Can you see everything we have? Now this is a what? This is a complete e-commerce website. Now this is everything. Latest collection. Can you see the price, the review? Now this is everything. Now this is everything. This is what? Now it now depend on you on how to what? Edit it. Now I told us. Now this is the customer testimony. Maybe they like the shop, the person is trustworthy, and a lot of that. Can you see? Now I told you that I've taught us how to what? How to edit with Elementor. I told you the purpose of Elementor. Now you can what? Edit all your page using Elementor. Now the next thing we are going to do is what? Set our what? Set our website. So we need to what? Customize our website. Let's go back to our dashboard and go to customization. We already know how to customize, but I'll just show you some things there. Now click on this, click on appearance. Now you can see our dashboard. Now we have a new thing there. We have WooCommerce, we have product, we have analytics. Now this WooCommerce is a plugin that we use for an e-commerce website. No e-commerce website you need to create. This WooCommerce is very important. So that's the only plugin that we use for what? For an e-commerce website. So any plugin, any website you are importing, which is an e-commerce website, this WooCommerce is going to what? Come with it. So let's go to customize. Now this is our customization page. Then you edit any other thing you need to edit, and that's all. Now this is our customization page. Now this is our customization page. So you just click on it. Can you see? This, the first one is what? Like every other thing we used to have. the sidebar, the footer. We have WooCommerce. Now I told you that the WooCommerce is used for creating that e-commerce website. Now site identity, so we edit it. You put your site icon, your site logo. You already know how to do all that, so you edit it the way you want it to be. Then you save, you publish. Now let's go back. Since we already know how to do that, let's go back. So you put your logo, your display site. So this is the logo we have. We just leave it since we know how to add logo. Now let's come to this place. This is our header builder. Now we have this, we have search button on the header. I told you the header is what is the top of your website, while the footer is what is the bottom. The body is the main page, that is the middle of your website. Now this search, we have a search button, we have an account, we have a cart, then we have a primary menu, and we have social button. That is what we have on the header, so there's no problem with that. Now go back. So if we come to this home page setting, let me show you something there. Now you can see this is also a static page, like that corporate website is not a blog. You have a landing page, a particular page that when you click on your website, it's going to take you there directly. It's not going to take you to the post page. Now the post page, you now select the one you want to use for your post page. Maybe the store, anything, maybe when you post any new product, you take it to my store. Then we can choose shop, then we publish. That means any product you posted is going to go to shop. Can you see? So it has been published. That's the only setting you need to do, and any other setting you wish to do, we all know how to do that. Now let's go back to do our general setting. Now like I said before, that the WooCommerce plugin enable our e-commerce website to be possible. Now let's go and set it up. Now click on WooCommerce. When we click on WooCommerce, go to settings. Now we want to set our website, everything about our e-commerce website, how we deliver products, where we deliver product to. So that is out. Now go to general, the first one. Now this is where your business is located. Put your address. Let's put our address. No, let's click on general first. Now the first one is your address. Now click on your address and type in your address. Now let's type in our address. So can you see? Then the city, everything will pop up. Country, change it to Nigeria. It's very simple. Change the country to Nigeria. Sorry for that. Yeah. You just need to search for Nigeria. So this is Nigeria. Just click on Nigeria, where your location, that is your state. Can you see? So you click on Nigeria hyphen your state. So this is it. Now general option, set to which country, set to all country or set to a particular country. If you stay set to specific country, now which country do you want to set to? You click on Nigeria. You want to set to Nigeria alone. Now depending on where you want your product to be sold to, so I've select it. If you still want to add, you add. So that's shipping location. Where do you want your product shipped to specific country? Select again, you click on what? Nigeria. So that those one are based on how you want it to be. Default customer location. Now shop based address, that's just leave that one like that. Then enable tax. If your product has a tax, just enable the tax. If you have what? If you have coupon on your website, add it. Now currency option. Now this depend on the country you are selling from, or the country you want to settle. Now particularly depend on the country you are selling from. Now if you are selling from Nigeria, you know that you need to add what? Nigerian currency. So let's just look for Nigeria and add what? Nigerian currency. Let's add our Nigerian currency. Let's search for it. Can you see Nigeria naira? So it has been what? It has been added as naira. Now save change. Let's save change. Now that one has been saved. Now let's go to product. We need to check everything under the setting. We need to what? We need to check it. Now we have what? We have our product. We have shop page. I told you that the shop page is what? Is shop. Now enable adjust, add to cart behavior. That's redirect to cart page after successful addition. Now you know that some e-commerce website, immediately you have what? Add product like this, that you want the product, to direct you to what? To the cart. While some will ask you to what? To go and select under cart. So all this one, just what? They are not really necessary. So we just need to what? To check everything. Now the shipping. Can you see? This is the shipping zone. Location not covered by other zone. So this is the what? This is the shipping zone. This option. Can you see? This is your shipping location. You can just what? Add shipping zone. Now it depends on your what? Where you are located. Now this is the shipping zone. Zone name, zone region. If you click on the zone region, you can see that a lot of location under Nigeria will pop up. You can choose anyone, select anyone, or add anyone. Can you see? So that's that about what? Our zone location. So we don't really need that. Let's go to payment. And after you have done it, you what? You save it. Cancel. Now so this, okay, it has not taken us to payment. Click on payment. Now these are our payment method. We have direct bank transfer, we have check payment, we have cash on delivery, and a lot of that. Now we have what? Enable direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery. Can you see? So that's it. In this place, this is where you are going to set up your payment method. You have what? You have enabled. Now let's set up this direct bank transfer. That means when they click it, they are going to transfer directly to your bank. Now let's set it up. Let's set it up before we continue. So this is direct bank transfer. Make your payment description. This is the description that is going to pop up. This make your payment, okay, make your payment directly into our bank transfer. Use your blah blah blah. Now account name, put in your account name. Let me type my account name. Then account number, you put it. Then the next one is what? Bank name. Can you see? So that is how it will be. Bank name, then the short code. All this short code, you are going to see it on Google. Just go to short code of UBA blah blah blah. The IBAN, put it. Then the SWIFT, everything, all these three things, you are going to see it on Google. Just don't worry, go and search it on Google. Then what? After that, I've added it. I'll click on what? Save change. So it is going to save under the direct bank transfer. That is, I have set up my bank transfer. So after that, I'll go to what? Account and privacy. So you set up other payment method also like that. Can you see? Allow customer to place order without an account. Yes. Account creation. when creating an account. So everything is just check it and what, see the one that suits you, then what, you enable it. Shey you understand? So that is it. Then the last one is what, that's the email integration and blah blah blah. Can you see? So this is the email they will receive. Email for new order. This is it. Can you see? Cancel order. So this is the email they will receive. That's all for email. So integration. So we don't need all this. I just want us to check everything. So the particular one that you need, I've explained them to you. So this is it. So this is everything about what, about our what, about our setting. Since you have saved everything, now let's go to what, let's go to our website. Let's go to our website and check everything we have what, we have done, both the currency, the payment method we had. Now let's click on what, let's click on this. Let's refresh it. Let's refresh our website. Now can you see, can you see that the payment has been changed from dollar to what, from dollar it has been changed to what, to naira. Can you see? Can you see? We have 149 naira. So that is it. That means that everything has been changed. If you click on it and want to what, check out now, you see, can you see, add to cart. Now view cart. Now we want to view cart so that we can check out. Can you see? Can you see? So if there is coupon, you what, you click on coupon. If you have coupon on your website, you want to give them coupon. Now you what, you click on it. Now proceed to checkout. Can you see? Now this is the billing details. Your details you are going to enter. Then what, how do you want to make payment? Can you see? If it is direct bank transfer, make your payment blah blah blah. Can you see? So when you place order, the bank account will what, will pop up. And if it is check payment, we know we added 3 payment method, cash on delivery. So that is how to do that. Now in the next video, I'm going to teach us how to create page, add to menu, and how to create product. So product is very essential in e-commerce. So we are going to do that in the next video. Thank you.